Hey Amelia, congratulations on your two beautiful paintings. They look awesome and great job. You just seem to have picked this up really well using the blooms painting method. How did you find the system of painting?
I found it really good. Well, I haven't done much painting before, and well, using this method, it actually really helped a lot, and I'm kind of, it's better than I expected, the turnout from using the method.
So can you say, I'm pleased with what I've done? Is that true? Would that be true? Yes.
I guess, yeah.
Yeah. We've all been stunned and delighted with what you've done. So you've done these two paintings in just 4 days and 1 evening. And yeah, you've just done awesomely well, and yeah, you just jumped in there and had a go, and that's what it's all about. I love your colours that you've built up on this. You've done this all yourself. You had a tiny bit of help in the middle, but not much. You could have even gone with the one in the middle that you did. It was good. So all I can say is I hope that you do some more sometime in the future. I know you're going to be busy with other subjects at school for a bit, but it's great that at least you got to have a little go at this and to satisfy the itch, the creative itch for a bit.
Yeah.
Well done. And you did this with Mum. And how was it doing with Mum?
It was fun. It was a good thing to do together. Very fun, a new skill to learn.
How gorgeous. Thank you, darling. So good.
Thanks.
Proud of you.